Alright, we're going to continue with our puzzle cube activity today. Yesterday I showed you how to do the red and the green piece, which you can see there on my animation, which is the result of an exploded view from the final assembly of the pieces. Now the only ones I started you with yesterday was I started you out with the red piece first, and then we did the green piece. So if I go back here to my IPN file, which is the ultimate goal for this project, we'll start looking at some of the other pieces. So I think what we'll do is we'll start with the white piece. As I said, I would demonstrate these for you. So looking at the white piece, to me the easiest way to start this out is to start it out kind of like you did with the green piece. Now I'm going to start using some big dimensions just to kind of expedite the process. If you remember from the red piece, I did these as smaller cubes, but I'd like to kind of see this come together quicker. So I'm going to go New, and I'll go to Standard IPT, Create. And I'll click on the pencil. I'll keep it consistent with my front view, and I'll go to Rectangle. Now I'm going to do a larger shape. So if you remember one cube being 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to do 4 cubes. So that'll be double measurements. Now, I see an issue. As I was opening things up, you might have noticed that I had more choices with IPTs. Can you see that I'm in millimeters? That's a problem. So let me back out of this. Sometimes we hit problems when we open the file. So I accidentally selected millimeters. I want to make sure that I'm using English measurements. There, that looks better, doesn't it? Standard IPT. I'm sorry about that. Pencil, front view, rectangle, and we'll start with a larger area. We're going to go 1.5, tab 1.5, enter. So this will also look like a square, because it is, but when we go to extrude it, we're still going to keep it at 0.75, and we'll enter. So then, if you look back at my IPN, this is our 1.5 by 1.5. We need to add this piece down here. Let me make sure I'm on the right thing. I'm going to go to Pencil. I'm going to click on my front view. And I'm going to put that in the upper right a little bit. I'm going to try Rectangle. I'm going to look for my center there. And I want to come out and down. I want the width to be 0.75, tab. I want the height to be 1.5, and enter. Finish sketch. Little house. Extrude. This piece here. It's going the wrong way, so direction 2, 0.75 is correct, so we'll check that. There's our white puzzle cube piece. So let's go to our colors up at the top. Drop those down. And I might be in the wrong library. Let me click out of that and try this one over here. Drop that down. Let's go all the way to the bottom. If you don't see white, there it is. Fantastic. We'll do a save as, and we will call this white puzzle cube piece, as I am the world's worst typer. I think my son's worse. Save. Okay, now we have 3 of the 5 pieces. We need the blue, And we need the black piece. And if you look at the blue, I had somebody do that piece yesterday wrong. Uh-oh. Oh well. So let's go new. We'll try and do the blue. Try. We'll go standard IPT, create. So for the front view, if I look at my IPN as a reference, I see what I want to do there. I'm going to go create, front plane. I'm going to go to rectangle, click on the corner. I'm going to go over 1.5, tab up 0.75. Click on the front, finish sketch, little house. I'm going to extrude this twice as far. I'm going to try 1.5. Enter. Hopefully this turns out okay. Otherwise, I'm going to be really embarrassed. Now, out the front here, I know there's going to be a little piece of blue. So I'll go pencil, go to the front right here. I'll go to rectangle. I'll go corner to corner. 0.75, 0.75 is correct. Finish sketch. Extrude. Out the front. Make sure it's 0.75. It's defaulting to my last extrusion of 1.5. Enter. And then, little house. I believe in the back corner here I have a cube dropping down. Hover over my IPN. I'm just going to flat out click on that and see. Oh, it's in that corner. Okay. So part 3, because I haven't saved it yet, it's going to be in this corner here. So pencil. This back corner here. Rectangle. I'm going to corner here. I'm going to go up to the left from the lower right corner, 0.75, tab, 0.75. Finish sketch, extrude, 0.75 is correct. Now, I'm hoping that that looks like my blue piece. I believe it does. So we are going to color this blue. Not clear blue. That will look terrible. Wow, that's really blue. But it is blue indeed. So we will go to Save As. And we will call this Blue Puzzle Cube Piece. Alright. One piece left. And that's going to be the black one. So I'm going to go to New, Standard IPT, Create, and Front Plane. I'm going to do a completely different rectangle. I'm going to do 0.75 wide, tab 2.25 tall. Little house, finish sketch. Extrude, make sure you put it at 0.75. Okay, back to my IPN, 3 tall, leg off to that side. So, go back to my cube. Where did it go? There. One more. Part 4. Sorry about that. Pencil. We'll go on this side first. Rectangle. Bottom left. We want 0.75. Tab 0.75. Enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. Out that side. Correct. Check that. We're going to have another piece coming off of that back there. So pencil, click here. Rectangle, corner to corner. Green dot tells me it's the right size. finish sketch, extrude, 0.75. Alright, I need to make sure that I go in the right direction, which is going to be off to that side. Okay, this corner right up here, pencil. On this back side, rectangle, 0.75, tab, 0.75, enter, finish sketch, extrude, out. So, here is our black piece. So, color, black. We'll do a save as. This will be black puzzle cube piece. Now, in the interest of time, we will do our assembly next time. And from that assembly, we will be able to create our exploded views with our animation. So until next time, good luck!